how to enable or disable reply with message on the lock screen for the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we go down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter the passcode. Then we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Reply with Message. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. So when you turn this on, and when you receive a message on your lock screen, you can reply it with a message. Otherwise, if you turn it off, then you will not be able to reply it with a message on your iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.